The first thing we do to identify values is to try to see the scene in front of us in black and white. To do this, the best thing to do is to try to squint, or take off your glasses if you're wearing them. You try to look at the scene through your eyelashes, so almost close your eyes and then open them slightly and look through the scene through your eyelashes. What this will do is to take out all of the colour out of the scene and simplify it into a smaller number of shapes, so that what you see is a little bit more like this. Now that's greatly reduced the complexity of the shapes in front of you, and also got rid of a lot of the colour, so all you see is different shades of grey. Now we make a sketch of all the major value shapes in the painting. Now the idea is to keep the drawing very simple and keep the number of shapes to basically no more than about seven or eight shapes, certainly no more than about 10. And don't worry too much about the drawing, because the drawing at this point is not important. All we're trying to do is to map the values. And again, remember to squint while you're doing this. And remember, you want to ignore the small shapes by squinting to make them blend into larger shapes. And this will also help you reduce the number of shapes in the drawing. So here we have most of the major value shapes just about sketched out. We've got one light shape here as well. Okay, so now we've got the major shapes planned out in the drawing in terms of the major values.